In this quick tutorial, I will show you everything you need to know to open up your Toyota 86 key fob at home and change the battery yourself. This is a very easy process. All you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you would like to get one of these batteries online, there will be a link in the description for you to pick one up on Amazon at the lowest price. Have it come right to your door so you don't need to go shopping around. So check that out if you're interested, and then we can get right into it. And the first step is to flip this thing over, and you see this little lever, this kind of latch. You're gonna wanna hold that down and pull out your internal key. Now we can see, I wanna make it so you can see this. So here's the keyhole, and then perpendicular to it, there is a little slot in the plastic right there. I'm putting my flathead screwdriver into it. You want to insert your flathead in this area and just kind of hold the device loosely and twist, and the device will kind of just crack right open for you. You can take it apart. Go ahead and set this to the side. Set the other part to the side and just try to keep this all together. If this comes off, it's fine. Just position it back on there. Now here, if you have a screwdriver that's a little bit smaller than what I have here, you will be able to take this battery out pretty easily. I am going to be using this precision screwdriver just to get in this kind of small area to safely remove the battery. You don't necessarily need one of these. You could probably use a paper clip, just something that can kind of fit in this area. If you are interested or you don't have something like that, I'd recommend something like a pack of these precision screwdrivers. You get a couple different sizes, and it's just a couple bucks on Amazon. So if you need something like that, that will also be linked in the description, but just get what you have lying around. And we want to go into this little area, go down into the bottom, and we're just going to gently pry the battery up, and it will click out very nicely without damaging anything. And now we can get rid of our old battery and get a new CR2032 battery. And if you do not know where to get that, there will also be a link for that. So check that out down in the description. And make sure this positive side to the battery is going face up. And what you will do is just slide it down before clicking in the top. So get it under these little pieces of plastic here, and then click this top part in, and it will sit in there nice and securely, and we can just go about reassembling everything. So I like to set this right on top. These are the buttons. Just like to set this right on top first. Get that positioned in there. Make sure it is sitting down in there nicely. And now we can just set this back piece of plastic right on top and click everything back together. You can now see that the light is coming on. That's a way to check that you did everything correctly and the battery is facing the right way, everything like that. And you can just click this back in, and that's pretty much it. You are good to go. I hope that helped you out. If it did, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And remember, if you ever need to change another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, you can check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us directly at fobbattery.com.